My name's Sean. I'm here at Rikon County Ag Department. We're about to do an unboxing on the Rikon 13-inch drill press. Charlie's going to cut us open for us.
All right. So you're just going to want to start at one end and make your way across slowly. And then when you get there, you're going to have to cut the sides.
We got everything unwrapped for you guys so you can take a look. We're going to set it up and we'll show you what it looks like at the end. Finishing up on the rack assembly, we're about to put the head unit on, and once we tighten everything up, it should be good to go. All right, I'm about to put the chuck on, just finalizing the instructions. All right, here we go. All right, there she is. Chuck's on. All right, we've got her all assembled, and she's over in her stand now, so we're gonna test her out for you guys, see how she runs. It's pretty smooth, no rattling, that's a good sign. So let's drill into this piece of wood. So she does pretty good. I'd say this is a success.
Hey, thanks for watching our video. We're here at Cheatham County Central High School, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And for more videos, post on the comments below. Thanks so much.